Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Remote Desktop. Open Settings System Remote Desktop and toggle it on. Make sure to select Network-Level Authentication for security. Once done, note the PC name and optionally assign a static IP or use a reserved DHCP lease so you can reach it reliably. You must be signed in as an administrator and have a strong account password, because Remote Desktop disallows blank passwords. Also enable Wacom LAN in firmware if you expect to wake the PC remotely. Next, configure access through the firewall and router. Open Windows Defender Firewall and allow the Remote Desktop app on the profiles you use. This creates the correct inbound rule. If you need internet access, set a port forward on your router for TCP 3389 to the PC's IP. Or, better, create an SSH or VPN tunnel to avoid exposing RDP publicly. Make sure to change the default RDP port, if required, and enable account lockout policies to reduce. Finally, connect using the Remote Desktop client, enter the PC name or IP, verify the user account, and accept the certificate prompt if present. Once connected, adjust display and resource redirection for performance. If you run into issues, make sure the PC is awake, check the local IP and port forward settings, confirm the firewall rule exists, and verify credentials. One key troubleshooting tip: if you cannot connect externally, test a VPN or SSH tunnel to isolate whether the router or ISP blocks RDP traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.